Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll walk you through how to request a refund for your AutoDS subscription, step by step. Let's dive in. Start by visiting the official AutoDS website and scrolling down until you find their refund policy page. Take a moment to read through it carefully so you understand the refund rules and eligibility requirements. Next, confirm whether your account qualifies for a refund. AutoDS follows specific conditions, such as time limits or whether the service has already been used, so make sure you meet their criteria. After that, reach out to AutoDS customer support. You can usually contact them through a support form or live chat on their website. Clearly explain your situation, include your account information, and directly request a refund. Follow any instructions they provide. They may ask for additional details or documents to verify your request. Once everything is submitted, allow some time for processing and monitor your payment method for the refunded amount if your request is approved. That's it. You've now completed the AutoDS refund request process. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from One More Guru.